Hi, I'm Pam Lee.
And I'm Doug Donaldson, and we're here to tell you about our new company.
There you go.
Keep that. There you go. It all started when I was in my kitchen preparing dinner. I had a pair of nice pants on, and while working away, I did what I have done instinctively for years: wipe my hands on my butt to clean them off. I immediately dirtied my pants right on the back pockets. As I shared my experience with others, I realized I am not alone, and dirty handprints on the back of pants have been confounding chefs, cooks, and grill masters through the ages. And then the idea hit me: a butt apron. I quickly started searching to see if the product existed. I even went on the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office's website to determine if anyone else had filed an application for such a unique take on the age-old apron. Not a one. The next day, I drove to Jo-Ann Fabric with an idea in my head and no knowledge of actually how to make a butt apron. I floundered around in the store seeking the help and guidance of both employees and customers. When I got to the cutting station, I tried to explain exactly what I was thinking of doing, and fortunately, all of the kind ladies in the store had great advice for me. No advice was greater than that I got from Pam. Pam had a vision and knew exactly what I was looking to accomplish. I ended up giving Pam the fabric I purchased, and she went off to create our first prototype. After a few design tweaks, we had what we now know is the ideal apron to protect your pants from stains. Fast forwarding, we now have patents, trademarks, a seasoned team of fashion and design experts that understand all aspects of global apparel manufacturing, and the perfect name for the butt apron: GrillCheeks. GrillCheeks are washable, one size fits all, and incredibly fashionable. Perfect for the woman who wants comfort and flexibility, and the man who loves to grill. GrillCheeks.
Keeping pants clean?
One cheek at a time.
Oh,